Well, welcome again to another video. Well, the notes you're seeing here was about previous video, sorry, that I did about how to develop a trading mindset. Hope you guys can go and check it out. And in this video, I wanted to make it short, but straight to the point. Visualization in trading. This is a technique that I've been using recently, and it is so powerful, guys. Like this technique can really change or solve the problem you've been having in trading, whereby uh, when you're feeling emotions, when taking losses or profits, when you don't have patience in trading, and when you fear in executions, and in generally your psychological in trading, psychological issues in trading. So this can really solve that problem. So by now, I hope maybe you've heard about visualization, from different people, and they often talk about visualization in visualize you visualizing your future or the future that you want, and reprogramming your subconscious mind into believing or into accepting or acknowledging that new future that you want. And it is the same technique I'm using now in trading. So I want you to picture this. Before you take any trade, when you wake up in the morning, in the previous video I talked about how you can have a pre-market, you can have a pre-market routine. And having a pre-market routine can be determining the daily bias, checking your psychological or emotion side of it, and so on. So this can be your pre-market routine. So before you take any trade in the morning, just take a moment, few minutes, to visualize patience and execution. I want you to take a moment before anything else. This is a pre-market routine. Just visualize patience and execution. So this is how you're gonna do it. Take a moment, close your eyes, and just visualize, assume that you're now in that trade. Do you know you're set up already in your mind? You can picture it well. Even without seeing it from the chart, you know exactly what you're looking for at the back of your mind. For example, if you're trading maybe Judah swing, or maybe, I don't know, just even double or bottoms. Let me use the simple double bottoms. You visualize price is already there at the entry place, but it's not where exactly you want it to be, but it's within that range. Patience. Visualize patience. You're waiting patiently until it comes to your zone. Then you execute with no fear, with no doubt. You execute the plan according to your age and strategy. Visualize, visualize, visualize. Visualize you winning that trade. Visualize you losing that trade. How would you feel? Of course, you'd feel awkward. You'll feel bad because you just lost a high probability trade. But I want you to visualize that even if you lose it, you're going to be fine. You're going to be okay. You're going to put your emotions in control. Visualize putting your emotions in control. Visualize everything before it happens. So when that loss takes place, you've already reprogrammed the mind that I was ready for this loss. So I'm not going to act recklessly by revenge trading or by doing things that I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be doing. Visualize that beforehand, before it happens. Visualize you winning that trade, but visualize you winning that trade. You're not being euphoric and thinking now you're untouchable. Now starting misbehaving in the markets. Visualize you being calm and fine with the win. Visualize you being calm and okay with the loss. This will be it for this video, guys. Whatever I've just told you guys is as simple as ABC. Just take a moment before you take trades, visualize of how the probabilities are likely to play out and how you'd like to handle them. Visualize beforehand so that your brain starts, or the subconscious mind starts reprogramming itself itself earlier before it even happens. So when it happens, you don't misbehave in the markets. Now, that will be it for this video. And in case you want more, or you want to have more, you are interested in contents like this, and you like to know, or get notified anytime I upload any new video, hit that subscribe button, and let me see you in the next one. Cheers.